Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Mazda CX-9. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like all-wheel drive, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, a power liftgate, rear wipers, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.